Tired of laundromat trips or bulky machines that take up too much space? Please watch this video till the end, because today I'm revealing the top 5 best portable washing machines. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one is the best overall choice for your home, apartment, RV, or dorm. I'll cover product features, real-world performance, and the biggest advantages of each model. Let's start the countdown from number 5. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 5. COSTWAY Compact. The COSTWAY Compact Laundry Dryer is a portable electric clothes dryer featuring a stainless steel drum, 4 automatic drying modes, and a compact design that works well in apartments, dorms, RVs, and small homes. Review highlights. Although technically a portable dryer rather than washer, it's a great addition to compact laundry setups. Users appreciate its simple controls, efficient drying performance, and space-saving design. Pros: compact and portable design, stainless steel drum, 4 automatic drying modes, easy-to-use control panel, great for apartments and RVs. Number 4. Giantex Machine. The Giantex portable washing machine is a fully automatic washer and spin dryer combo with an 8-pound washing capacity and built-in drain pump. Review highlights. This unit is popular among apartment and RV users because it offers fully automatic operation in a compact footprint. It handles small to medium loads efficiently while requiring minimal user intervention. Pros: fully automatic operation, built-in drain pump, washer and spin dryer combo, compact footprint, ideal for apartments and dorms. Number 3. COMFEE Machine. The COMFEE portable washing machine features a 0.9 cubic foot capacity, LED display, 5 wash cycles, and built-in rollers for easy mobility. Review highlights. This washer offers a good balance of convenience and performance. The intuitive controls and compact design make it an excellent choice for users who want reliable washing performance without taking up too much space. Pros: 5 wash cycle options, LED display, built-in mobility rollers, compact and space-saving design, easy operation. Number 2. BLACK+DECKER 0.9. The BLACK+DECKER 0.9 cubic foot portable washer offers a 6.6-pound load capacity, 5 wash cycles, an LED display, and includes a quick connect sink adapter and drain hose. Review highlights. This model is ideal for small apartments and homes where space is limited. It delivers dependable washing performance while remaining easy to install and move when needed. Pros: compact design, 5 wash cycle settings, quick connect sink adapter included, LED control display, reliable cleaning performance. Number 1. BLACK+DECKER 2.0 cubic feet. The BLACK+DECKER 2.0 cubic foot portable washer is the largest and most capable unit on this list. It features 6 wash cycles, a transparent lid, LED display, and significantly larger capacity than most portable washers. Review highlights. This washer stands out for its combination of portability and capacity. It can handle larger loads while still fitting comfortably in apartments, condos, and small homes. The extra capacity means fewer loads and greater convenience for families or frequent users. For most buyers, it offers the best balance of performance, features, and value. Pros: large 2.0 cubic foot capacity, 6 wash cycles, transparent viewing lid, LED control panel, excellent balance of size and performance. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Now, as promised, let's talk about the best product overall. After comparing capacity, washing performance, ease of use, features, and overall value, the BLACK+DECKER 2.0 cubic foot portable washer stands out as the best overall portable washing machine on this list. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and check the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.